Welcome to the next episode. I am S. Gopakumar. Hi friends, today I would like to take you to Ubhavan Resort, which is one of the beautiful resorts in Wayanad. Reaching out to Ubhavan Resort is very easy, as you can come to Kozhikode KSRTC bus stand and you can catch a bus towards Batteri Manandavadi bus, and you can while traveling you can see very beautiful places. You can see the natural beauty over there. It's very beautiful. It's pleasant. It's eye-soothing. The travel time takes around 1 to 2 hours to reach the resort, but this travel will never make you tired because of the beautiful view around, wherein you can see the natural beauty, and also if you're lucky enough you can see birds like peacocks and many other birds and animals. See, you can see the places are very beautiful, and you will feel very much relaxed by seeing these beautiful sights. This is the beautiful viewpoint. It's from the top, where you can see the entire place from here, and it's very foggy. You can see the fogs all around. Now you can see the main entrance of Wayanad. Around 500 meters from here you can reach Ubhavan Resort, and before reaching that you can see the historical spot wherein it has been said that Karindandan Smaragam, you can find it here, who was considered as the master brain on finding out the route of Tamarasheri mountain pass. During British rule he was assassinated by them by chaining him in an oak tree, which is still preserved as his memories. Next to that you can also find his tomb. The resort is located near Calicut Sultani Batteri main road in Lakkidi. It is also located near Government Veterinary Science College. And this, we are reaching the entrance of the resort. It has a nostalgic feeling of an alligator. There is a small waterfalls here. It's very beautiful to see. And this is how we enter the resort. Well decorated. This is how we get into. This is the main entrance of the resort. The interiors are very beautiful, and you reach the reception. They are very cooperative staffs and guiding with all the details of the hotel. You can find that badminton court also. This is from the top view of the resort. You can find the swimming pool and all other facilities over there. All the markings has been provided well. This is the other side of the resort, and this is something very interesting. You can find this Utilam restaurant in the resort, where if you get into, you can find a very beautiful area. You can bring all your families. You can have a very spacious area. You can have a very good dining get together. To be more focused, you have to have this dosa over there, which is known as special Ubhavan dosa, and it is served in a very different way. I think this is the only place where you can find this dosa in the entire Kerala, I believe. And you can see here now, it will be served in a glass, filled with fruits, egg, and all the masalas and everything. And it's very tasty. I prefer everyone should come and have it. Above that you can find a 3D effect space where you can have a relaxed time over there. The resort is divided in 3 different segments. The first one is Green View Rooms, which is the classic rooms, as you can find in any other hotel also. It's a normal rooms but very spacious, very comfortable. And and therein you can find you can have this view. It's a beautiful view outside, and the resort has been taking care of the entertainment very well. This is a place you can have shuttle court, you can have very beautiful swimming pool over there, gym over there with all the machineries, and you have carom boards you can play, billiards is there, table tennis. You can spend very well time with your family and friends. And this is the second segment of the resort, and the path leads you to the honeymoon nest, which is very special area. This is the entrance of honeymoon nest, where you can get into, and you can feel like you are getting into a cave, and in between that you can find many rooms over there. It's very beautiful, and you can find the echo of the same cave. Wherein you talk something, it reverse back. It's a pleasant experience to have. And this is the rooms inside honeymoon nest. It's very spacious and well decorated rooms. Here in honeymoon nest you can see the hearty welcoming by two swans, especially inviting newly married couples. Good interiors maintained. This is the outside view from the particular rooms. And this is the night view. It's very beautiful. It's complete silent. You feel much relaxed. Find Utilam here. This is a small aquarium they are set with, where kids can have some time over there. And this is the nature now at night. It's very foggy. It's very beautiful, really. This is in the early morning. Still the fog is there. This is a view from the balcony. You can find the entire view of the resort. About the swimming pool, there is one speciality. There are two swimming pools here. I will explain later on. This is one among those swimming pools. It's a normal swimming pool. It's of clean water, and there is a beautiful spa over there. The interiors of the spa is very good. It's very relaxing. It's well trained staffs. It's Usha's banquet hall, where you can have a big get together, functions and big meetings over there. All the facilities are provided. This is separately located room, which is located on the highest point of the resort. The interiors are well decorated. And this is the view from the top. You can see the entire almost big area of Wayanad over there. And this is a special swimming pool where it's salted water. It is specialized for those guests who is requiring to have an ocean feel. This is the other side of the resort. You can see the entire resort. It's very beautiful. I am really happy by visiting the resort, and I wish to visit again. And also, I really suggest everyone to visit the resort and spend time with their family and friends and have a beautiful experience and have a very happy moment.